Surrounded by mist and endless green, the forgotten bus house slowly succumbs to the humid embrace of the forest.
The time-lapse shows the rapid progress as the overgrown vines and debris are stripped away, revealing the corroded exterior of the bus house.
As the time-lapse shows, the workers rapidly dismantle the exterior, exposing the heavily rusted skeleton of the bus house.
Wow, look at that shine!
It's perfect.
Great job, everyone.
Time seemed to accelerate as the crew meticulously cleared the debris, scrubbing away the rust to uncover the original metalwork. In just moments, years of neglect are stripped away, revealing the potential beneath the grime. The transformation is nearly complete. With the subfloor down, the team moves quickly. In just hours, this metal shell will be transformed by the warmth of the new flooring. As the final boards are laid, the cleaning process begins. This time-lapse captures the transformation from raw wood to The installation moves quickly. Here we see the ceiling panels being secured, followed by the rapid addition of recessed lighting, which illuminates the structure. The transformation begins as the sterile blue is quickly covered by warm, rich pine. Next, we build the The team works efficiently, installing the partition wall and the central curved ceiling element. The space is quickly transforming. In this time-lapse, the richly textured walnut countertop is precisely positioned and secured. As the final touches are added,
utilizing the spacious layout, we introduced the plush comfort of the royal blue sectional, completing the look with complementary textiles and warm lighting.
Agree. In this hyper-realistic shot, our team quickly assembles the plush, L-shaped blue sofa. The hyper-realistic detail of our linen blend. In just moments, watch as the space transforms into a modern oasis.
We begin by measuring the precise location, then secure the bracket to the mahogany paneling. Finally,
In this hyper-realistic time-lapse, the space is rapidly transformed. The team swiftly installs.
Welcome to the pinnacle of modern design. Every detail.
in the blink of an eye, the familiar gives way to chaos. The passage of time can be destructive. The cleanup operation began immediately. In just hours, the team removed tons of debris, revealing the original structure beneath the rubble. With the new frames in place, the team rapidly smooths the walls, transforming the space from dusty demolition to clean structure in moments.
Powerless. The time-lapse captures the rapid transformation as the sheer curtains are installed, instantly adding a layer of...
In just a short time, the team assembled this beautiful dark oak bookshelf, bringing warmth and function to the room.
In this ultra-high-resolution time-lapse, the workers swiftly unroll the rug, instantly transforming the space with warmth and detailed texture.
The centerpiece arrives. In a matter of moments, the royal blue velvet transforms the space, bringing warmth and color to the minimalist design. With the final pieces in place, the living room nears completion. The velvet chairs provide a striking contrast to the dark wood.
It's the subtle touches, the warmth of the books, and the life of the greenery that complete the feeling of home.
In mere moments, the addition of this cushion completes the look, highlighting the room's natural colors and textures.
A wide shot of the fully furnished living room. The camera slowly pans right, revealing a glimpse of a dining area.
What was once a sanctuary can, in mere moments, become a scene of devastation. Time moves.
Through accelerated effort, the wreckage is cleared. What remains is the resilient metallic floor and the promise of renewal.
Vive la VMS. The team works quickly to install the new window frames, patching the walls and cleaning the debris in a seamless time-lapse.
The cold steel gives way to the warmth of natural oak, transforming the space in mere moments.
From precise installation to a final, meticulous polish, watch as we transform this space with beautiful, durable hardwood floors. From matte to mirror finish, our team ensures every inch of this sustainable timber is perfectly prepared and polished for generations to come.
As you can see, installing this sliding wooden door is a quick process thanks to the team. The end result is a perfect.
To secure the cabinet, start by drilling a precise pilot hole. Then fasten the latch firmly in place.
The installation process moves rapidly. These custom oak cabinets are designed to maximize the space around the headboard,
For a look. Watch as the room is transformed. The addition of this plush, royal blue rug brings instant warmth and a vibrant.
Watch as these two professionals assemble this high-quality wooden bed frame with speed and precision, ready for use almost instantly.
In this time-lapse, we transform the frame into an inviting oasis, complete with crisp sheets, a plush duvet, and designer cushions. In the blink of an eye, the comforts we take for granted can be swept away, leaving only the ruins behind. With surgical precision and unprecedented speed, the recovery teams cleared the wreckage, exposing the highly durable metallic structure underneath.
The installation of the oak floor requires precision and care, culminating in a flawless, polished surface ready for years of use. Using specialized techniques and powerful machinery, the team reveals the floor's true potential, culminating in this flawless, mirror-like surface.
In just moments, the team transformed the empty room into a modern culinary space, complete with custom blue cabinetry.
As you can see, the team quickly and efficiently installed the new appliances, ensuring a perfect fit in the modern kitchen. The installation moves rapidly, culminating in the precise placement of the island, which anchors the space with its rich color and texture.
With the countertop securely fastened, the transformation of this kitchen is nearly complete.
The open-plan design connects the gourmet kitchen with this elegant dining space, all bathed in natural...
What was once immaculate can quickly become chaos. In mere moments, the structure fails.
What was once chaos is now order. The rapid deployment of the cleanup crew ensured the site was cleared efficiently. Watch as the skilled workers install the new window frames and glass panes with precision. The walls are quickly patched.
In just moments, the industrial subfloor gives way to the rich texture of natural hardwood.
After the installation, the floor is prepared with precision torches. Then, industrial polishers rapidly buff the...
From exposed framework to a seamless finish, the transformation is rapid. Note the flawless integration of the cinematic lighting.
These delightful animal decals are perfect for creating an inspiring nursery in no time.
This crystal-clear epoxy resin is poured directly onto the prepared oak floor, creating a durable, high-gloss finish. In this time-lapse, you can see the resin being rapidly cured by the heat treatment, followed by the high-speed polishing that reveals
In a display of choreographed precision, the team rapidly assembles the sturdy pine frames. What would normally...
The detailed craftsmanship is evident as the final screw locks the assembly, providing ultra-high resolution safety and natural strength.
In a flurry of activity, the team brought order to the chaos, creating a welcoming space filled with stories and imagination.
Utilizing a time-lapse, we see the rapid installation of these bespoke wooden units. This approach maximizes storage in...
In the world of luxury hospitality, every detail matters. From the precisely folded towels to the perfectly...
Here we see the final stages of the vanity installation. The time-lapse highlights the efficiency of the crew and the stunning quality of the materials.
per inches. The installation of the new window frames marked a turning point. As the glass panes went in, the team moved quickly to patch and smooth.
The transformation is swift. Here we see the adhesive being applied and the blue tiles set into place, quickly covering the lower walls. The process begins with intense heat treatment, followed by rapid, heavy-duty polishing, ensuring a flawless, mirror. The installation process moved quickly, and soon the once bare wall was equipped with custom wooden cabinetry. Dramatic.
Precision and speed define our installation process. This hyper-realistic view demonstrates how a
Meticulously arranged and flawlessly presented, our staff transforms the space, ensuring a pristine experience for every guest. Welcome to your private sanctuary, where the warmth of the ambient light perfectly complements the lush jungle views. Enters. The dedicated team moved swiftly, installing new window frames and smoothing the walls. In just moments, the
In this time lapse, you can see the rapid transition. The torches prepare the surface, then the polishers reveal the
In this hyper-realistic sequence, the time-lapse captures the swift installation, highlighting the detailed textures and cinematic lighting of the space.
The perfect temperature for a relaxing soak. Let the steam envelop you in tranquility.
Through efficient organization and meticulous care, we transform the space, ensuring everything is perfectly stocked and prepared for your arrival.
This exquisite bathroom blends ultra-high-resolution details with the raw beauty of the jungle view. The cinematic...
Nestled deep within the vibrant jungle, the transformation of this iconic structure is finally complete.